Here I have HUAWEI Honor 20 and let me show you how to locate the IMEI number on the following device. So we will go through two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code which is *#, 06#. And that's it. As you can see, here you can locate both IMEI numbers for your device and also serial number. Click on OK to go back, and now we will go to the second method. So we will open both IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So at first, obviously, let's open the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. And now go to the About Phone, so it's the first tab, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice both IMEI numbers for your device. And then if you will go to the status, you will notice also the serial number. So that is all. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.